Welcome, here I've got LG G8s ThinQ and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we tap on it we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on these two buttons at the bottom. Let's start with the right one. By just tapping on it we can manage the photo size, so the aspect ratio connected with the quality and the size of the picture. As you can see we have wide choice. Now let's focus on the aspect ratio. We are in 4:3. We have also 16:9, so let's tap here. And let's go back to the camera preview to see the difference. The background has changed now to the longer one, so this is how it looks like. Now let's tap again to the left corner to this button from the right at the bottom, and let's pick 18:9 aspect ratio. As you can see now the second button from the left is on the yellow color, so here we have quick access to this aspect ratio in 18:9 because this is the full one. So let's go back to the camera, and this is how it looks like, as you can see. And we can tap here once again. We can also tap to this button to turn it off, and now it here comes back to 16:9. And let's slide down a little to pick 1:1 now. In the camera preview it looks like that, so this is the square one. And to remind you, when we tap here once again in the left corner and to this button from the right, we can easily go back to 4:3, the original one. And this is how it looks like in the camera preview. And of course, I suggest you to keep all of these ratios in the best possible quality, which is 12 megapixels to 4:3, 9:2 megapixels to 16:9, 8:1 megapixels to 18:9, and 9:7 megapixels to 1:1. So you can get the best results at your picture. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.